Hey everyone, welcome back to MilesTech, your #1 source for tech tutorials, app guides, and digital tips. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and connect our RNV Tunnel VPN easily using the built-in servers. No config files, no manual setup, just simple steps anyone can follow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to support the channel. And let's jump straight in. First, make sure you've downloaded our RNV Tunnel VPN from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. When you open it for the first time, you'll see a simple dashboard with a server, network, and a big connect button. Now, before connecting, the first thing we need to do is update the server list. Tap on the first option down here on the green dashboard on the down left corner, then click Update. Wait for a few seconds while the app downloads the latest and fastest servers. Once it's done, you'll see a message confirming that your servers have been successfully updated. Next, look for the location option. Here, you don't need to pick a country manually, just leave it on Auto Server. This allows our RNV Tunnel VPN to automatically choose the best and fastest server for your internet connection. After that, go down to the Network Type section. Tap on it and select Search All Country UDP. UDP is usually faster and more stable for mobile networks, perfect for streaming, gaming, or general browsing. Once selected, you'll notice the app automatically fills in all the required settings. Now everything is ready. Simply tap on the Connect button. A pop-up will appear asking you to allow our RNV Tunnel VPN to create a VPN connection. Tap OK or Accept to confirm. Within a few seconds, you'll see a key icon appear at the top of your screen. That means your VPN is now active and connected. Once connected, open your browser and visit whatismyapp.com or any site to test your connection. You should see that your IP address and location have changed, meaning your internet is now encrypted and secure. If the VPN fails to connect, don't worry. Try these quick fixes. Tap Update Servers again and retry. Change your network mode between mobile data and Wi-Fi, or restart the app and reconnect. Tip: using UDP All Country gives you more server options, so always keep your app updated for the latest connections. And that's it. You've just set up our RNV Tunnel VPN using the built-in auto servers and UDP All Country network option. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MilesTech for more tech tutorials every week. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.